before I get started with this video, I'm going to tell you now, I'm putting all of my comfort food in the description box, okay? Now, let's get started here. Also, with the spaghetti and the shrimp Alfredo will be in the iCard that will coincide with this. So, I have my pot heated. I'm going to use my ghee, okay? Ghee that I make. And what I'm doing is just going to saute the onions and stuff. A little more. The ghee is nothing but just butter, guys. That's all it is. With the butter, with the milk solids out. Alright. And the reason why it's popping because I had this spoon and some water. Alright, so you're just going to saute your onions up. So I put 2 medium-sized onions in here. I put at least about 2 white spoonfuls of ghee, or more if you need it, okay? That's what I'm doing. I'm going to put my garlic in last because I don't want that to cook real fast. Now what I'm going to do, I need to turn this up a little bit on 7. Remember to preheat your pot. I have a gas stove, so for preheat this, the Lodge is on a 6. So I'm going to put mushroom. It's going to be a lot of mushrooms in here. So I'm putting 3 tubs. And I want this to wilt down. If I got it. Okay, when you see your pot is getting dry a little bit, then add some more ghee. So you just want your mushrooms to cook down some. So right about now, I would use my chicken seasoning. Now I don't measure this, okay? So you know my thing is a tablespoon. And then in my other pot over here, I already have some fettuccine already done, boiled. Just follow the direction on the box. And they said, when I say they, I'm probably talking about the Italian, to know that your spaghetti is done, take one and fling it against the wall. If it sticks, it's done. Don't do that though. Alright, I'm going to let this wilt down a little bit and then I'll come back with the rest. So this is how it looks, guys. Right here, you just want it to wilt down. You remember how tall it was? Okay, now I'm going to add my garlic. And I'm going to add maybe about 1, oh, forget it. I'm going to add 2 white spoons. Okay, and from there, I'm going to add some chopped jalapenos. And I chopped these pretty good. And I'm going to probably use about 2 white spoons. Alright. And I'm going to stir this up. Okay. Now I'm going to give it just a little taste. Okay, I'm going to add some chicken powder to it. I'm going to add 2 heaping spoons of Knorr's, or Knorr's, however you say it, chicken powder. I'm going to stir that up. Now I'm going to add my can of cream of mushroom. And this is your sauce. Miss Marty Pants likes it saucy. So I'm adding 2. Okay. Now adjust your seasoning. If you feel you need to go back and add more salt and pepper or chicken powder. And the reason why I don't have better than bouillon, because I'm really trying not to use it because it's getting scarce. You want to mix this up. Okay, if it's too thick, which it looks like it is, I am going to add some half and half. I'm using crab meat. Using 2 of those. You can put more crab in here if you want to. Stir it up, and it is a little thick, so I'm probably going to add let's say about 2 cups, just to thin it out. But trust me, it'll thicken back up. And keep stirring it. Here, this is where you want to taste. That's good. Okay. I may add one more thing of chicken powder. But remember, my seasoning isn't salty, so you will probably have to add some salt. And I'm going to add some black pepper, guys. This time I need to pay attention on what end I'm opening, because I have a habit of opening up the wrong end. You can put as much as you want or none at all. I said that's probably maybe about 2 teaspoons. Stir the pepper up in there. And taste. Perfect. Now I'm going to add my fettuccine to it. This right here can feed an army. Now you can add shrimp in here if you want more crab. Keep stirring it. Lift it from the bottom, bring it up. And this right here, you can turn your fire off now. You can add more pepper because I can see it a little bit. Okay. And you are done. Alright, I'm going to plate this up and I'll be back. Here we are, right here. Like I said, it made a lot. And that's okay because you can always have leftovers. And when it sets the next day, it's even more better. More seasoned. Made some French garlic bread. And you don't have to have meat in your spaghetti, in your pasta at all. You can just have it just like this, which is, you know, seafood in here. Yeah. Here we go, right here. So